Turkish. It's called Pasha lokum. So let me show you the ingredients first that we need. We need milk, we need biscuits. You can use any kind of biscuit. I'm using these squares, or you can use the rich tea or whatever you like. You have to grind them like so in the food processor. They have to be very soft and minced. We need 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, we need 1 tablespoon of vanilla sucre, and we need 3/4 of the cup plain flour. We need 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and we need pistachios just to decorate the top. If you don't want to add pistachio, you can just add, instead of the pistachios, shredded coconut, and it's up to you. Okay, so first I'm using the oven tray. I'm gonna take the biscuits and then put them here, and then try to level the biscuits on the tray. Like so. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this one separate and then start to prepare the filling. So now we're gonna make like kind of pudding. Okay, so for the pudding we need, here I'm going to add a cup of sugar. I'm going to list down for you the ingredients in the description box if you want to give this recipe a try, and I'm sure that you will like it. So here we add the sugar, flour, cocoa powder, and the butter. This is 1 tablespoon. All right. And I'm going to add milk. Okay, so I'm going to add, this is 1 cup, and another cup, 3 cups, 4 cups of milk. Perfect. Okay, so just turn on the cooker, and I have to mix them very good first, and then put them on high heat and keep mixing them until the mixture getting thicker. So easy. And at the end, when they get thicker, I'm going to add the vanilla sucre. You can just add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extra. And this is, I just bought them from a Turkish shop. It's like sugar and vanilla flavor. So sugar with vanilla flavor, called vanilla sucre. Okay, so here we mixed the ingredients. I just turn on the cooker on gas mark 6 on high heat, and I want to keep mixing them until the mixture getting thicker. Okay guys, this is the mixture after 5 minutes. Now it's ready. I'm going to add the vanilla sucre and then mix them a little bit. Turn off the cooker. Oh, that smells so yummy. It's delicious pudding. Take it off the cooker. Okay guys. Okay, leave those here. And then I'm going to pour the mixture carefully on top of the biscuits. Like so. Okay. So try to smooth the pudding. like so. After this, we're gonna make normal cream, double cream, all these sachets cream that we add on the milk, and then I'm going to whip some cream just to add it on top. But first I'm gonna leave the tray or leave the pudding to completely cool. Okay, I'm gonna leave it aside to cool down, and that will take like 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so leave it like so, and then I'm going to prepare cream, whipped cream, and see you after that. Okay guys, so this is after 20 minutes. You have to touch the pudding. If it's cooled down, that means it's ready. So I'm going to add on them whipped cream. And I'm going to spread the whipped cream on top carefully. Okay. Oh, yummy. Okay, here we go. Here I have a knife, so I'm going to cut it in the middle. And then make it like so. Oh, wait. Okay. Cool. Now this is the last one. Okay. Just start with this one. Carefully, I'm gonna roll it. Wow. Just take it. Okay, I'm gonna take it like so and then put it here on a plate. Look at this beautiful Pasha lokum. Okay, carry on doing the rest. So start from here. And then roll it. Okay guys, here we go. This is the Turkish dessert. It looks so yummy and it tastes absolutely delicious. So I'm going to decorate the top with pistachios, crushed pistachios. And as I said, you can just use shredded coconut. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it in the fridge and serve it later. But this looks so good and it looks so yummy, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you like the recipe. I'm gonna list it down for you in the description box with all the ingredients and measurements, and stay tuned and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching. Bye.